Welcome to my Metric Maths Made Easy YouTube channel. Algebra, linear equations and their roots. What is an equation and what is a root and what is a solution? It was all well when we used to do the bonds of 10 in the lower grades. Say what plus 6 equals to 10. And then in Zulu, or it is Zulu, it was even more fun because we'll say plus 6 equals to 10. And then we use our fingers, of course. Say so that is a 4. So is a 4. So 4 plus 6 equals to 10. So it was quite fun to deal with the bonds of 10. Now came the higher grades now. So we started introducing a variable x. So for us, I've explained that this variable x is actually a horizontal number line. So graphical presentation of real numbers. So x, let me write here, x is an element of real numbers. So graphically, we present it like that. So we've got x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. until you reach a very, very big number. Or if you come to the negatives, so negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, etc. until you come to a very small number. So this graphical presentation on a number line, horizontal number line. So the x element of real numbers represented graphically. As a horizontal number line. So this new variable x, we say it's a element of a real numbers. They will represent it graphically as a horizontal number line. That. Now, but now the problem is we say solve for x. So once we say solve for x, most people, they go blank because they do not know what you are talking about. So instead of asking the question like solve for x, we still go back to the basics, like when we're doing the bonds. We say what value of x. So what value of x will give you, or if you add it to 6, will give you 10. So now, on this number line, so this number line 1 is a little bit short, so we make it longer. So you've got 8, 9, 10. These x values 8, 9, 10. So where we start? We start at x equal to 0. I told you that this is represented by x equal to 0. At x equal to 0, you want to get 10. So what value of x when add 6 to it will give you 10? So we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we come up to here and then count 1, 2, 3, 4. So x equals to 4. X equals to 4 will give you 10. So 4 plus 6 equals to 10. So the value of x that when added to 6 will give you 10 is 4. Now we explained earlier on that an equation, what is an equation? An equation is a mathematical sentence that may be or can be, that can be true or false. So this is an equation. X plus 6 equals to 10 is an equation. So we say an equation is actually a mathematical sentence that can be true or false. So our sentence, the mathematical sentence, this will be true when x is 4. So true when x equals to 4. So now takes us also back to say, now this x equals to 4 is true or makes the equation true. So when x is equal to 4, then this equation is true. Now what happens if x is, okay, now we also introduce something. Let me just say, now we've got your left hand side. This is what I'll be working with throughout my maths presentation. Algebra, algeometry, whatever. This is what I'll be working with. So left hand side equals to left hand side. So now, see, what value of x will make the left hand side equals to the right hand side? So say you say, no, my x will be 3. 3 plus 6 will be, yeah, my left hand side. So we say, okay, fine. So once you find your x value equal to 3, you check it, yeah. Say, okay, now my left hand side is now equal to 3 plus 6. But the 3 plus 6 gives me 9. And then 9 is not equal to 10 because the right hand side is equal to 10. So your left hand side will not be equal to 10. So still, it's an equation, but it's false. Because like now when you say x equal to 3, now 9 is less than 10. So that is false. Yeah? But still an equation, mathematical equation. Say now we say, okay, fine. We don't say x equals to 3. You say x equals to 5. So if x equals to 5, then we have your left hand side. Yeah, this is all of this to the left of the equal sign is the left hand side. So we've got your left hand side now equals to 5 plus 6. So we're checking whether this value of x equals to 5 is true for this equation, x plus 6 equals to 10. So we find 11. So again, the 11 is not equal to 10. So we say, therefore, our left hand side is not equal to the right hand side, represented by this side, because the right hand side is equal to 10. So the value of x equals to 5 is actually not true. So the only solution that we've got here is, so the solution we have is x equals to 4. This is the only one that is true, so we call it a solution. Otherwise, any other value of x is not true, because x plus, or because 4 plus 6 equals to 10 gives you your left hand side equals to 4 plus 6 when x is 4, which is equal to 10, which will be equal to your right hand side. Therefore, left hand side equals to 4 and then equals to the right hand side, and then x equals to 4 is actually our solution.